In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record in BandLab on your PC. Before we start, make sure you're on a reliable internet connection and using an up-to-date browser like Chrome or Edge. If you have a USB microphone or audio interface, plug it in now and have a pair of headphones handy to avoid feedback while recording. First, open your browser and go to bandlab.com. This is BandLab's homepage where you can create and record music directly in your browser. On the top right, click Login. When the sign-in options appear, choose the Google option. Select your Google account from the list, then click Continue. If you see any security or permission prompts, just follow them so BandLab can authenticate your account. After a moment, you'll land on BandLab's main feed. From here, look toward the top navigation and click Studio. This opens BandLab's web-based workstation in a new tab. The first time you enter Studio, your browser may ask for microphone access. Allow it so BandLab can capture your voice or instrument. Inside Studio, choose Voice Audio. This creates an audio track that's set up for recording through your mic. Take a second to confirm your input is correct. If you speak into your mic, you should see the level meter flicker on the track. Aim for healthy levels in the green to low yellow range and avoid red peaks. If the signal is too loud or too quiet, adjust your microphone's gain knob or your interface input. This will help you get a clean recording without distortion or noise. When you're ready, click the record button at the bottom of the screen. You'll see the playhead move and a new clip being drawn on your track as BandLab captures your performance. Keep your headphones on to monitor without creating an echo. Try to stay a few inches from the mic and speak or sing consistently. A simple pop filter can help reduce harsh consonants. If you prefer a steady tempo, you can enable the metronome before you start, though it's optional for voice-only takes. When you're done, click the red stop button. BandLab automatically saves your take inside the project, and the recorded clip will appear on your timeline. You can play it back immediately to review what you captured. From here, you're free to keep recording additional takes or come back later to edit and mix. Your work is safely stored in the project. That's it. Open BandLab, sign in with Google, enter Studio, choose Voice/Audio, hit record, and stop to save. Happy recording.